Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get rid of a talk from your profile on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then click on the talks button in the middle of the screen and select the talk that you would like to remove from your profile, and tap on this more button in the upper right corner of this section, and then click on the delete button down below, tap on delete, and basically that's it. As you can see, it will remove from your profile permanently, but the talk will remain on other people's profiles who took part in the talk. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.